Hi my whitey family, you're welcome back to my channel. So I have another cornrow style for you here. So this cornrow, the reason why I'm bringing more of cornrow lately is because of the spring, because it's springtime, summertime is coming, and here in Poland the summer is kind of like so hot, so sometimes you may feel so irritated wearing bulky braids on your head. Sometimes you may just want to wear those light simple styles that is not too complicated. Yes, so the styles are for you if you want to wear something like scanty cornrow mixed with one strand braids. Yeah, this video is definitely for you. Yes guys, like what you see right now, this is a special kind of cornrow. This style has been in vogue for a long time, but it's like it's coming, trying to resurface in fashion again. Yes guys, so this is more like cornrow, zigzag cornrow and ponytail. I love the style. Yes guys, so these are simple styles that is not so bulky, like the volumes is not so much, unlike having a boss braid that is so much and can be so stressful when the weather is so hot. Yes guys, so the styles are simple, elegant and beautiful. Yes guys, don't forget my video is for educational purpose, is to give you styles ideas for you to rock that special occasion. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video in your community. Yes, share my video because sharing shows you care about my channel. Then I'm gonna see you in my next video.